Homie stopped by with his Acty, buying some rims. You guys know I'm the K plug. I think they look good. We guys saw this at the car meet a couple weeks ago. First time he's seen the Cappuccino. Maybe I'll give him a ride in that, actually. Then we got the Honda Z over there. I think later today we're going to go to a car meet. But actually, yeah, we're 100% going to give him a test drive in the Cap. Just because I feel like people don't really understand how fun and fast that car really is. But check out the new wheels. Those are the old. These are the new. New shoes on the Acty.
This came off the other one.
Yeah, right? This is all from Mr. Rusty.
Wow.
So you've never been in a Cappuccino before,
nope,
right?
Never.
Yeah, they're cool. They're like, I know you want a Beat. Beats are great. I had a Beat.
Yeah, yeah.
Like having the additional power is like a huge difference.
I'm just a Honda boy, is what it is.
Yeah, me too. I think. But like, look.
Yo.
Like for a K car, that's pretty ridiculous.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Yeah, like it's like generally quick. Like I tried to explain it. Like it's still not like quick, but like. Second gear.
I totally see what you mean.
As far as what? Like quick. Like it's not fast. It's just quick.
Yeah, but like it's all you need.
Yeah, no, it's really.
I feel like it's just gonna be it's more power than the Beat.
Yeah, no, it's definitely more power than the Beat. I like the blow vibe was sweet.
Yeah, it sounds great. Yo.
We're a 3-cylinder K car.
Yeah.
And it handles amazing.
Yo.
Feels like you're like 150.
Yeah. Like Cappuccino might be the vibe. What the hell?
Cappuccino is the vibe.
I didn't know.
Yeah, Cappuccino is 100% the vibe.
I didn't know. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, no, it's sick.
This is just, wow. What a wonderful machine.
That's why, like, I don't know. I always get rid of K cars, and like, you know, I'm probably not gonna keep it forever.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's gonna be hard for me to sell this.
Yeah.
Like, I think even if someone gave me 15 G's, I don't think I'd take it.
Yeah.
Because it's like, it's so much car.
It's super unique too.
And
like,
it's super unique with the kit, and like the wood grain, like these seats don't come in this car. I gotta fix this check engine light.
Yeah, but still, you got a phenomenal machine on your hands.
Yeah, no, this thing is so cool. And then like from like these speeds, like 0 to like 30,
yeah,
it's really as fast as like really any car.
Wow. Okay. It's such...
And then technically the tops come off too. So imagine the summertime, like it's gonna be another fun beast.
Wow. Miatas wish they were this fun, honestly.
I don't know. I love Miatas. I don't know if I'd go that far, but for a K car, it's like we shouldn't be doing that. And it shouldn't be sounding like that. It shouldn't be driving like that.
Wow.
No, this thing is a rocket, man.
Wow.
I love this car.
Wow.
That's why I'm not mad that the Minica or the Z are soon to be gone.
Yeah,
like at the end of the day, even this is a terrible daily. Like it's a 2-seater. There's not a big trunk, but like for miles per gallon.
Yeah.
Like come on.
Oh my god.
Come on. How do you?
It's so light too. That's
it weighs nothing.
Like, oh my god.
You know, I had to give you a ride at this.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. That is absolutely ridiculous.
And then, that's nothing I really want to change.
Cool.
It's a little tight in there.
That's fine. I'm totally used to it.
That's that.
Oh, that's interesting.
You're kind of thin.
But it's also like it's the right size, anyways. Yeah. Wow. Okay, this short throw.
Power windows is cool.
Power windows. This is a great touch.
Yeah, the
this reflective
grain.
thing, the wood grain. This looks.
The seats are extremely comfortable.
I will say.
The mirrors are terrible.
Coming off of the Acty, like no mirror compares.
I got this thing to make my life better.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, right? You can even see the veer. Like that, like this thing.
Oh yeah.
Like it shows you everything behind you.
Yeah. Wow, this is such a sick machine.
Yeah. What up? Coming to you live from Toyotaton. I believe today is the anniversary of, I don't even know, someone comment below, but I guess like the guy who created Toyota or something like that. But there's definitely some cool cars here. I did a quick scan and I don't believe I saw any K's, which is pretty unfortunate. But let's hope that changes when the weather gets nicer. We're still gonna walk around though. Check out the cool stuff that is here. Maybe something pulled up in the last couple minutes since me being here. Loving all this underglow I'm seeing. Once I get done with this waffle, if the Z is still here, I'm 100% adding it on. And the cappuccino, it's just a matter of it being warm. But that car for sure will have underglow just like that guy and just like that guy. First time seeing this guy. Pretty cool. I feel like you don't really see too many R34s in red. Loving this with the carbon fiber hood. What else we got over here? The homie at Daikoku's car. Ooh, a drop top MR2, 3rd gen. This is definitely a car I've never seen before and don't really see just in general. Got the big wang, sparkle wheels. I like that. What else we got? Let's highlight some of the cars that we don't really see too often. I'm not going to show every car because I feel like if you watch my content, you're familiar with most of the cars here. We're going to see a lot of 350Zs. I officially entered the Toyota level. I believe everything from here moving forward is all Toyotas. Pretty cool seeing these with Toyota badges in the front because I'm used to them having Lexus. We got somebody with a drone. This looks like a Sarah on the front, but it's not. What is this? It's twin turbo. Well, twin cam, I think it said. Oh, it's a Celica. Wow, it looks so cool. This JDM version looks sick. I'm loving this Corolla over there, actually. That's nice. Then we got an SC with a huge intercooler. Hopefully my video doesn't get taken down with all this music, but we got a homie with underglow. We got a weird looking Toyota right there. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Door certainly cocked too. This Sienna, man. This is the type of stuff I love to see. Wow. Mismatched wheels. I gotta see who's driving this thing. Wow. Sunroof too. Wow, another weird Toyota. This is a pretty famous Toyota. No wing. Wow, it looks so weird about a wing. Very interesting. This is a Pulsar. Another interesting Toyota. This thing got a very nice exhaust. What else we got? A German Toyota over there. A Slam Camry. This is something we definitely don't see every day. Crazy tint too. Wow. This is cool though. These are like usually taxis and stuff like that. Then this guy's also low. The infamous Thai. Wow, I love this. What else we got over here? I think this dude's about to pop his hood. Someone let me know in the comments if this is something I should be impressed at. Well, it says beams actually, so that means it's cool. I know beams is cool in Toyota language. What else? A couple Lexuses. This guy's cool. This wagon is sick with the quib wheels. Loving this sun-faded Lexus. Oh wow, there's more. I didn't even walk around here. I would love to see a Daihatsu. That'd be sick. If it's a hijet, if it's a van, if it's a move, if it's a freaking mirror walkthrough. What else we got? Maybe I didn't get to the Toyota section yet. Or it's just an extended version of Toyota. Yeah, I think this is just an extended version. Let's look at this. Oh, wow. 1JZ Benz. Easily the coolest car here. Look at that. Wow. Blood guts. Wide. Wow. This is cool. This is very, very cool. I'm a big fan of these TRD style Tacomas. Like, I love the beige color. This one got the aggressive grille, lifted wheels, tint, snorkel, couple Miatas. I didn't even see these things here. Got a Civic. Does it go up higher? This guy's walking from up there, so I guess there's more cars. Wow. Again, though, still not 1K, which makes me very sad. Definitely makes me sad. Look at the Supra. Cool right-hand drive Civic over there. Got this Vet. What else? No way there's more cars up here. Nah.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.